Friends, welcome back to the channel. Food is God gift. Today I'm going to show you how to make a zesty lime rice. This rice so delicious with a hint of the spicy and lime flavor. All you need are jalapeno, garlic, onion, spring onion or green onion, rice. I wash it triple times and I just drain it and keep it ready. Lime. So let's see how to make it. So today I'm using a rice cooker. So you always can use the same method with any instant pot or rice cooker or stove top. Please check the description below to see how to cook in a different method way. So I just saute with the onion, garlic with a few drops oil. So once it's saute, so you no need to really browning. It's going to very quick. So until we let the sweat, and that's really good. Now I'm adding the salt, and I'm adding the chopped cilantro, about half cup. So I'm using the cilantro. I'm just adding the vegetable broth. So you can, it should be ratio is 1 cup rice, 2 cup of broth. So today I'm using a vegetable broth. I'm adding about 1/4 teaspoon of a cumin powder. So again friend, the rice is a 1 cup long grain rice and 2 cup water. So you can use the water, or you can use the chicken broth or vegetable broth. It's your choice. So this is the way we cook the rice. So now it's ready. Just lid on and wait until the rice cooker is done. So I just turn on the rice cooker. It's ready. Now it's hot. Look at this, perfectly done. The rice is so fluffy. Look at this, single grain and cooks so beautifully. Now we can squeeze the lime, about half lime. Today I'm using the lime. Squeeze a half lime. That's good. So the lime really give that hint of the sourness and then the tangy, and then it's really give the good balance of the rice, and it's really help to keep the rice longer time. So when you make during the summer, the rice will stay longer because the lime will prevent that good texture and with all that good flavor. So today I made a tortilla wrap. Please check the description below to find out the recipe link. So friends, I hope you enjoy another recipe from our channel to your home. Thank you.